Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing M1 City Centre Hotel and Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and air conditioning. M1 City Centre Hotel and Suites located within less than 0.6 miles of Putra World Trade Centre and a 16-minute walk of Bank Negara Malaysia Museum and Art Gallery. M1 City Centre Hotel and Suites provides rooms with air conditioning and a private bathroom in Kuala Lumpur. The property is around 1.2 miles from Aquaria KLCC, 1.2 miles from KLCC Park and 1.3 miles from Kuala Lumpur Convention Center. The hotel features family rooms. At the hotel, every room comes with a desk. All units at M1 City Centre Hotel and Suites are equipped with a seating area. Popular points of interest near the accommodation include Petronas Twin Towers, Petrosains, the Discovery Centre and Suria KLCC. The nearest airport is Sultan Abdul Aziz Shah Airport, 10.6 miles from M1 City Centre Hotel and Suites. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.